5 seconds to go. Start. The effort of the officer in charge is to obfuscate the actual incident and to mislead the investigating agency was tamely accepted by the latter, and no steps have been taken by the investigating agency to thwart the same. Stop. Para. No investigation relating to the previous animosity between the local MLA Shrimati Asima Patra and the victim has been made by CID. Stop. At the time of the apparently frivolous arrest of the victim, Shrimati Patra had telephoned the officer in charge of Dhania Khali police station. Stop. Though her innocuous explanation that such telephonic exchange was in respect of a dispute relating to a neighbor is not borne out on contemporaneous materials, CID refrained from investigation the real motive for the said telephonic conversation at such a crucial juncture. Stop. Para. No investigation as to the circumstances and or reason for the second telephonic exchange between the officer in charge and the local MLA immediately after the custodial death of the victim has been made by the CID. Stop. The latter has completely shut its eyes to the conspiracy angle in this case involving the officer in charge and the local MLA, particularly in the light of the allegations of previous enmity and the telephonic exchanges between themselves in the course of the alleged incident. Stop. Para. Furthermore, the statement of the officer in charge of the police station recorded by CID on 9th February 2013 is completely silent as to the aforesaid telephonic exchanges. Stop. Such suppression on the part of the officer in charge makes it apparent that he did not reveal the whole truth with regard to the incident. Stop. Still then, the CID chose not to interrogate him further or conduct any other steps for the revelation of truth in the matter, particularly, as to the role of the said officer in charge and the local MLA in the custodial death of the victim. Stop. Para. In R.S. Sodhi, advocate versus State of UP reported in 1994 SCC Criminal 248, the Apex Court, while dealing with a case of murder involving police personnel held as follows: para. We have perused the events that have taken place since the incident, but we are refraining from entering upon the details thereof, lest it may prejudice any party, but we think that since the accusations are directed against the local police personnel, it would be desirable to entrust the investigation to an independent agency like the Central Bureau of Investigation, so that all concerned, including the relatives of the deceased, may feel assured that an independent agency is looking into the matter, and that would lend the final outcome of the investigation credibility. Stop. However faithfully the local police may carry out the investigation, the same will lack credibility since the allegations are against them. Stop. It is only with what in mind that we, having though in both advisable and desirable as well as the interest of justice, to entrust the investigation to the Central Bureau of Investigation forthwith, and we do hope that it would complete the investigation at an early date, so that those involved in the occurrences one way or the other, may be brought to book. Stop.